Starting a business in Connecticut can be an exciting and rewarding endeavor. Known for its robust economy, highly skilled workforce, strategic location, and supportive business environment, Connecticut offers numerous advantages for aspiring entrepreneurs. In this guide, we will explore the benefits of starting a business in Connecticut and provide you with a detailed, step-by-step process to form a limited liability company, LLC, in the state. Additionally, we will cover how to obtain a business license and an employer identification number, EIN. First, let's discuss the benefits of starting a business in Connecticut. 1. Strong economy. Connecticut boasts a strong and diverse economy, with key industries including advanced manufacturing, bioscience, insurance, finance, and information technology. The state offers a favorable business climate, access to capital, and a skilled workforce, making it an attractive location for entrepreneurs. 2. Proximity to major markets. Located in the northeastern part of the United States, Connecticut benefits from its proximity to major markets such as New York City and Boston. This strategic location provides businesses with access to a vast consumer base and facilitates convenient transportation and distribution networks. 3. Highly educated workforce. Connecticut is home to prestigious universities and colleges, producing a highly educated and skilled workforce. The state's emphasis on education and research creates a talent pool that can contribute to the success of your business. 4. Supportive business environment. Connecticut offers various resources and support for entrepreneurs. The state government, economic development organizations, and local chambers of commerce provide assistance, guidance, and access to networking opportunities. Additionally, there are tax incentives, grants, and loan programs available to help businesses thrive. 5. Quality of life. Connecticut offers a high quality of life, with vibrant cities, picturesque landscapes, and excellent educational and healthcare systems. The state's attractive living conditions can help attract and retain talented employees, contributing to the long-term success of your business. Now that we've covered the benefits, let's walk through the step-by-step process of starting an LLC in Connecticut. Step 1. Choose a name for your LLC. Select a unique and distinguishable name for your LLC that complies with the state's naming requirements. The name should include Limited Liability Company, LLC, or an abbreviation. Step 2. Appoint a registered agent. Designate a registered agent who will receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. The registered agent must have a physical address in Connecticut and be available during business hours. Step 3. File Articles of Organization. File the Articles of Organization with the Connecticut Secretary of the State. This document officially establishes your LLC and includes essential information such as the name, address, and purpose of your business. There is a filing fee associated with this step. Step 4. Create an operating agreement. Although not required by the state, it is advisable to create an operating agreement that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, and operating procedures of your LLC. This document helps establish clear guidelines and minimize potential disputes. Step 5. Obtain an EIN from the IRS. Apply for an Employer Identification Number, EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, IRS. An EIN is necessary for tax purposes, hiring employees, opening bank accounts, and conducting other business activities. You can easily obtain an EIN online through the IRS website. Step 6. Register for state taxes. Depending on the nature of your business, you may need to register for state taxes. Visit the Connecticut Department of Revenue Services website to determine your tax obligations and complete the necessary registrations. Step 7. Obtain required business licenses and permits. Check with the local and state authorities to identify any specific business licenses or permits required for your industry. Connecticut has an online portal, the Connecticut Licensing Info Center, CTCLIC, which provides information and resources for various licenses and permits. Step 8. Comply with ongoing requirements. After forming your LLC, be aware of the ongoing compliance requirements. This includes filing annual reports, paying taxes, and maintaining proper records. Stay informed about any updates or changes to the regulations that may affect your business. Congratulations! You've successfully formed your LLC in Connecticut and obtained an EIN. You're now ready to embark on your entrepreneurial journey with confidence and legal protection. Starting a business in Connecticut offers numerous benefits, from a strong economy and skilled workforce to a supportive business environment and strategic location. By following the step-by-step guide provided, you can successfully form an LLC in Connecticut, ensuring compliance with the necessary legal and administrative procedures. Remember to stay informed, seek professional advice when needed, and take advantage of the resources available to entrepreneurs in the state. Good luck on your journey to entrepreneurship in Connecticut. If you are confused or consider these steps to be difficult, you can employ a professional formation service to file your LLC. Northwest Registered Agent is an amazing company that will guide you through creating your LLC. They even have a service where they will file your LLC for you without you going through any hassle. Watch the rest of the video, where I will show you how to form an LLC in under 1 minute through Northwest Registered Agent. The full review of Northwest Registered Agent is also given in the description down below. Starting an LLC? Let us show you how to do it in a right way. First thing first, the whole point of an LLC is to separate you and your business. That's what protects your finances and privacy. Start by appointing a registered agent. Your LLC official point of contact. Hiring a registered agent is a smart and affordable method to maximize privacy. Next, see if your name is available by checking your state business database. Now you are ready to file state paperwork. The average fee is around $100. Apply for a free EIN from IRS website. Having your tax ID in hand you'll make the rest steps easy. Put your LLC policy in writing with an operating agreement. Make it easy with free template like ours. Remember when we said LLC separates you and your business, that's why your LLC needs its own bank account. Your bank account does not do any good in empty, time for each member to contribute. Be prepared for annual files and fees like state reports and taxes. Check the link in the description below. Start your LLC with Northwest Registered Agent.